Hey, we're the Rest Day group. Here's our to talk about some research.
Right, so the research has been completed, which I know I've said in previous videos, but as of now, we've written a coherent thesis to basically argue for the need, that there is a demand for our product, that hospitals are too loud and too stressful, that the constant exposure to stress has a negative effect on patients, and especially those with special needs, such as those with autism spectrum disorder. And we've looked at already enacted solutions that hospitals have used and found that they were either not useful at all, or in combination with our product, they would be useful. And finally, we made a case for our own product, which everyone else will talk about the state of.
We may 3D print a case.
Oh yeah, we totally botched the, or not botched. We just had to scrap the asking other people to 3D print because it would take too long. So we're gonna, I bought a 3D printer, a small one, and we're gonna be using that to print out maybe like a bottom case of it, and then we're gonna also buy a foam display of the egg to show both sides of it.
And those are, how much are those again?
Those are like for $10. If we're gonna buy or make a 3D printing shell from a third-party company, it's gonna cost us way over $400 for a 4x7 inch. So I think it's a prototype and the concept design, so we can actually show in the demo what we can do using a 3D printer. Yeah, and the bad side happened that if we're gonna order a shell from ASU, it's gonna cost it's not gonna cost us some money, but it's gonna take long, over 2 months, easy over 2 months. And the app.
Yeah. So the research thesis is done, but the iOS application thesis with like some new goals to our project has been scrapped in the iOS sense. It costs too much money to publish and maintain. It could become outdated really quickly, and only Apple users would be able to use it. And also, if it was just a phone application, iPad or whatever hipsters would not be able to access it. We decided to go to Pushover, which is a independent service that offers an app and a web app, and I mean, if you can even read this, a watch, Android Wear, whoever uses that, Android, Pebble, and also email alerts. They do push notifications, and it's open source, which is ultimately the goal of our project now. We're not going to make money off this, and we may open it up to future students here at ASU to refine upon. This app will be there when they come in. You pay a medial fee, $5, but they do, server maintenance, and they update everything, and you get the whole host of everything. So whoever wants to pay, the amount of money it takes to build our project will be able to do so with an app, whenever they want to. So yeah, that's our project for so far. Thank you for tuning in. Catch you later.
Thank you.